Welcome to a new video. In today's video, we are going to solve 10 interview questions. I'm going to create a dataset for this video and I'm going to give the dataset creation code in the description of this video. For giving an idea about what our data table looks like, I'm going to create the table in the video. So let's create it. We're going to create a table about employees. Let's say create table employees and open parentheses. Let's say ID, which is going to be integer and primary key, and name it's going to be varchar with limit of 50, age which is going to be integer, city which is going to be varchar again with the limit of 50, and salary it's going to be decimal and 10 and 2. Okay, here is our table. So we can see this from this table list. Let's open it, and here's the employees. Okay, great. So I'm just going to make a copy paste here like this, and I'm going to run this. Great, let's see our table. Let's say select sharp from employees and see what our table looks like. We have the name, ID, age, city, and salary. Okay, we can start now. Question 1. Find the names of employees who are older than 30. For this, we can say select name from table employees where age is greater than 30. Question 2. Calculate the average salary of employees in each city. For this, we can say select city and average salary. Let's say S and add alias average salary from table employees group by city. Here we have the information that New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Boston. We have the information of all cities. Okay. Question number 3. Retrieve the names and salaries of employees with salaries higher than the average salary. So what we are going to do is select name and salary from table employees where salary, and we are going to run a new query like select average salary from employees. Here's our subquery, and let's just run this. Here we have Bob and David with greater salaries than the average salary. Also, we can just check if this information is true or not by we can just take this select average salary from employees and just paste it here for seeing the average salary of the dataset, and here it is. So our previous information was true. Question number 4. Update the salary of employee Alice to $65,000. For this we can say update table employees set salary equals to 65,000 where name is Alice. This is our query. I'm not going to run this query because my SQL is in safe mode, but you can just try it out and see if it's going to be updated. This is a true query for updating the Alice's salary to 65,000. You can both put these two decimals or not. It's the same thing. Question number 5. Delete the employee with the lowest salary. For this, we can say delete from table employees where salary, and we will say select minimum salary from employees like this. If I run this code, it's not going to work because my SQL is in safe mode. I'm telling it again, but you can run this code and you will see it's going to delete the employee with the lowest salary. Okay. Question number 6. Count the number of employees in each city and order the results in descending order. So for achieving this, we can say select city count sharp as employee count from table employees and group by city order by employee count, and lastly we will say in descending order. Since we have a small sample dataset, it's going to return 1 for all of them, but think that you have a really big employee database, and it's going to return the information in descending order just like you wanted. Question 7. Find the names of employees whose names start with the letter C and have a salary greater than $50,000. For this, we can say that select name from employees, where name we are going to use like clause here, and we will say C and this symbol, and our second condition, salary greater than $50,000. Here is our query. So we don't have an entry like that, but I remember the name Bob, so if we just change this to B, it's going to return Bob, I think. Yeah, we can see that. Also, we can return the Bob's salary, like adding this to here for seeing if it satisfies the condition. Yes, he satisfies it. Great. Question number 8. Calculate the total salary for each age group like 20s, 30s, etc. and order the results by age group. If you're going to try to solve it by yourself, you can just take 20 to 29 as 20s, 30 to 39 as 30s, and else 40s and plus. Okay, let's do it. We will say select, and we will use case, and let's say when age between 20 and 29, then 20s. And our second when is going to be when age between 30 and 39, then 30s. And we will say else for the others 40s plus. And for finishing the case, we will say and as age group, and we will take the sum of salary as total salary. Great. Now what we are going to do is we will say from employees, and we are grouping by age group, and let's also order by age group. Okay, let's run this. Great, we got the result 20s, 30s, and we don't have 40 plus employee, so it didn't return. Great. Okay, question number 9. Find the employee with the second highest salary. For this, we are going to say select name and salary from employees where salary equals to, and we will say select distinct salary. Also, I'm missing a T there. Okay, select distinct salary from table employees. Order by salary, descending order, limit 1 and offset. Also, I need to say limit 1 and offset 1. Here it is. We got the David as result. Great. Question 10. List the cities where the average salary is above $60,000 and the number of employees is less than 3. I think for sure it's going to return 2 entries back since we have 1 employee from each city, and we know that we have 2 entries who have higher salary than 6,000. So let's do it. We will say select city from employees, group by city, and we will say having average salary greater than 60,000, and second condition, count of them less than 3. Here it is. Okay, as I said, we got 2 cities from this query. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm creating content about data science using Python, SQL, and more technologies. I also record this type of interview exercise videos. You can subscribe to my channel for seeing more data science content. Have a great day.